often feel the aftermarket and OEMs are at odds when it comes to diagnostics and repair of modern vehicles. Considerations such as emission standards, legal responsibilities, and the safeguarding of proprietary data often lead OEMs to create obstacles that hinder aftermarket companies in effectively scanning and calibrating ECMs.
It's a mouthful. It's a lot.
It's a lot,
It's a lot. I'm tired. Our 2023 Gen-III Innovator Award winner found a creative create an OEM-compatible product that allows a greater number of shops and businesses to perform accurate, safe scans and repair calibrations on complicated ADAHS and vehicle management systems. All right. He is a volunteer in the Collision Industry Electronic Commerce Association, and his leadership consistently inspires excellence within his team. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage our 2023 Gen-III Innovator Award winner, Jon Delgado with Repairify. Yeah. Looking good. Looking good. And this is for you. Congratulations, please. The stage is yours. Stay there. Wow. Stay there.
This is incredible. This is my first SEMA banquet, and it is more than I could have ever imagined. This is absolutely amazing. Thank you to SEMA and to all of you for making this event so special. I was on vacation a few weeks ago with my family when I caught a call notifying me that I was a finalist for this award. And when I got off the phone, I was thrilled. And my daughter asked me what was going on. And I told her about SEMA and the industry and Repairify and everything. And she, that I was a finalist for this award. And she looked at me and she said, "You? Why?" It's a question that's been on my mind a lot over the past few weeks as I've been thinking about the twists and turns that led me to where I am. Being a technologist in the automotive industry was kind of a happy accident. I went to school to be a mathematician, and I had dreams of spending my days in academia studying and researching at a university. And one time between semesters, I found myself looking for a job, and I found a posting for a position from a small automotive company called APU Solutions. It was posited an interesting data mapping problem, and they were looking for creative solutions. And so I had some programming experience, and I applied, and I got the job, and I fell in love with an industry I knew nothing about. 20 years and a full head of hair later, here we are. Most of the math I do now goes towards trying to prove to my head of data insights that I've figured out a winning roulette strategy. He remains unconvinced. So why am I here? One of the biggest reasons is the amazing team I've assembled at Repairify. Their consistency, their work ethic, their creativity. It's amazing. This award is for them as much as it is for me, and some of them are here tonight, so thank you to Sam, Nikki, Jonathan, Caitlin, others that couldn't make it, Jay, Philip, Stephen, and many more. Thank you for being on this journey with me. Another reason is the unwavering trust and support from Repairify leadership. In my time at Repairify, they've proven time and time again that they'll do what it takes to invest in the culture of innovation. At every turn, they've provided me with the people, the money, the equipment, the software, anything I needed to be successful. And they gave me space to do things my way and trusted me that I would deliver. And what we've done is breathe new life into Repairify, and I believe into the industry as a whole. In a short time, Repairify has gone from a company that offered predominantly OEM services to delivering a new wave of innovation and award-winning products in the aftermarket industry. We built the asTech rules engine, leveraging years of R&D, scanning tens of thousands of vehicles. We built a system that can instantly tell you if an aftermarket scan tool is OEM compatible for a given vehicle. We developed the asTech all-in-one tool, a first-of-its-kind solution for remote scanning, local scanning, calibrations, and module programming. And most recently, we've created asTech Insights, an AI large language model, kind of like a ChatGPT, trained on real OEM master technician feedback on over 210 million diagnostic trouble codes. With the power of AI, this system will analyze your local scan reports and give you custom collision recommendations in a matter of seconds. 2023 was a big year for me and for Repairify, and I cannot wait for the industry to see what we have coming in 2024. Thank you to John, Chris, and the Kinderhook board, and the rest of my colleagues on the executive team at Repairify for their trust and support. I also want to thank my family, Sarah, Mia, and Austin, supporting me from back home in Kansas City. My father, Carlos Delgado, is here tonight, and it's his birthday. Happy birthday, Dad. I told him there's nowhere better to spend his birthday than in Vegas celebrating me. But in all honesty, I like to think that my drive for innovation comes from him, so thank you, Dad. Thanks again to SEMA and Repairify and to all of you. I am humbled and honored to be your Innovator of the Year.
Hey, congrats.